Close up on it.
You're definitely recording.
Oh?
Maybe we should call Cat Farm.
You okay there, buddy? Is he dead?
No. How was Gabby can come over and rob him? Hey!